Hello, I'm Abhishek. In this video, we are going to discuss set 8 of reasoning section of CAT 2019 slot 2 paper. So the question was, okay, students in a college are discussing two proposals. Proposal A, by the authorities to introduce dress code on the campus. B, by the students to allow multinational food franchises to set up outlets on their college campus. A student does not necessarily support either of the two proposals. In an upcoming election for the student union president, there are two candidates in a fray. The candidates were Sunita and Ragini. Fine. So there were two candidates fighting the election, Sunita and Ragini. Every student prefers one of the two candidates. Okay. So it was not necessary that any student will support any of the proposals. He may or may not support. Fine. But every student prefer one of the two candidates. Okay. A survey was conducted among the students by picking a sample of 500 students. The following information was noted. First, 250 students supported proposal A, 250 supported proposal B. Among the 200 students who preferred Sunita as student union president, 80% supported A. Among those who preferred Ragini, 30% supported A. 20% of those who supported proposal B preferred Sunita. 40% of those who did not support proposal B preferred Ragini. Every student who preferred Sunita and supported proposal B also supported proposal A. Among those who preferred Ragini, 20% did not support any of the proposals. So this was about the information that was given to us. Fine. Now what you need to do is just pause the video. एक बार खुद से try करिए. Then we'll continue. Fine. So, okay. So let us solve this question using set theory. तो ये हमने दो blocks बना दिए हैं. This first block represents Sunita, and this second block is for Ragini. Fine. Acha, we know that there were 500 students in total. 200 supported proposal A, so 200 were in favor of proposal A, and 250 were in favor of proposal B. Fine. Among 200 students who preferred Sunita, so overall Sunita को कितने लोगों ने prefer किया है? 200. So that means 300 must have preferred Ragini, because in total there were 500 students, and each of the students preferred one of the two candidates. Sunita या Ragini में से किसी को तो prefer किया ही होगा. Fine. Okay. Among the 200 students who preferred Sunita as the student union president, 80% supported proposal A. So out of these 200 students, 80%, that is 160 students supported proposal A. So this whole circle A, इसका value कितना आ गया हमारे पास? 160. Fine. Among those who preferred Ragini को कितने लोगों ने prefer किया? 300. So out of this 300, 30% supported proposal A. Out of this 300, 30%. Now 30% of 300 is 90. 90 people, 90 students supported proposal A. Fine. 20% of those who supported proposal B preferred Sunita. 20% of those who supported proposal B. Proposal B was supported by 250 students. So 20% of 250 is 50. Preferred Sunita. Fine. So 20% of those who preferred proposal B. So proposal B में जिन्होंने भी proposal B को prefer किया था, उसमें से 20% लोगों ने सुनीता को prefer किया था. तो इसका 20% is 50. So 50 people must have preferred Sunita. तो ये value जो है वो 50 हो जानी चाहिए. Fine. 40% of those who did not support proposal B preferred Ragini. 40% of those who do not support proposal B. तो ऐसे कितने students थे जिन्होंने proposal B को prefer नहीं किया? See, out of 500, 250 ने prefer किया था. That means 250 ने नहीं किया. And 40% of 250 is 100. 100 student ने Ragini को prefer किया है. और ये 100 student वो हैं जिन्होंने proposal B को prefer नहीं किया. So that means this value and this value. So this x plus y must be equal to 100. Fine. Every student who preferred Sunita and supported proposal B, also supported proposal A. So there was 0 student who supported proposal B only. Every student who supported proposal B also supported proposal A. So ये only B वाले part में 0 आ जाना चाहिए. Fine. Among those who preferred Ragini, so we are talking about this 300, 20% did not support any of the proposals. So this Y value represents the students who do not support any of the proposal. So 20% of 300 is 60 students did not supported any of the proposal. Now we know that x plus y is 100, so this x must be 40 then, and this whole circle represents 90. Proposal A में 90 आने चाहिए थे, out of which 40 are here, so here it must be 50. Fine. अब देखिए रागिनी के पास देवर टोटल ऑफ 300 स्टूडेंट्स, आउट ऑफ विच 60 यहाँ पर है और 19, 50, 40 यहाँ पर है, तो इधर कितने आएंगे दैट वी कैन कैलकुलेट. चेक करते हैं एक बार. 119 240, 240 स्टूडेंट्स हो चुके हैं. फाइन. अब देखिए 60 and 40, सॉरी ये 90 को दो बार काउंट नहीं करेंगे. 60 and 40 100 and 150 स्टूडेंट्स हो चुके हैं. नाउ रिमेनिंग 150 मस्ट बी हियर ओनली, यहीं पर होंगे फिर. फाइन. अब इस पे आते हैं सुनीता वाले वेन डायग्राम पे. So there were 50 students who preferred B and there were 0 students who preferred only proposal B. So सारे के सारे 50 must be here only. और यहाँ पर 50 आ जाते हैं. So this circle A represents 160, out of which 50 are here. So यहाँ पर 110 होने चाहिए. This total must be 160. And there were 200 students, out of which 160 हो चुके हैं. तो remaining 40 must be the ones जिन्होंने कोई भी proposal support नहीं किया था. Fine. Okay, so just give me a second, let me check everything is correct. Okay, so in this way we have completed this Venn diagram. अब यहाँ से सारी values पता चल रही हैं. For example, there were 200 students who supported Sunita. Out of these 200 students, 160 ऐसे थे who preferred proposal A. और उनमें से 50 ऐसे थे जिन्होंने प्रपोजल बी को भी प्रेफर किया था. तो 50 वर द वन जिन्होंने ए एंड बी बोथ को प्रेफर किया था. देयर वाज 0 स्टूडेंट हु प्रेफर्ड ओनली बी प्रपोजल. फाइन. एंड 40 स्टूडेंट्स वर देयर जिन्होंने कोई भी प्रपोजल को प्रेफर नहीं किया था. तो लेट मी रिमूव दीस वैल्यू नाउ. ये हम वैसे ही यूज कर चुके हैं, इनको रिमूव कर देते हैं तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहेगा. नाउ मूविंग टू रागिनी वाला सेट. तो रागिनी वाले सेट में देयर वर 300 स्टूडेंट्स, आउट ऑफ व्हिच 90 प्रेफर्ड this A proposal. ठीक है, 90 preferred proposal A, 50 preferred both A and B, and 150 preferred only B. तो total ये कितने हो गए थे 240, but there were 300 students. That means 60 students must have preferred none of the proposal. Fine. Okay, तो ये जब पूरा complete हो चुका है तो now let us move to the question part. Okay, so first question. First question is, okay, among the students who surveyed who supported proposal A, what percentage preferred Sunita for student president? Okay, so total कितने students were there who supported proposal A? 250, out of which Sunita को कितनों ने support किया है 160. So 160 out of 250 is the percentage. इसको calculate करते हैं तो this will give us 64%. So the correct answer to this question is 64%. Fine. So moving to next question. So question number second is, what percentage of students surveyed who did not support proposal A preferred Ragini as student president union president who did not support proposal A? फाइन. हमको ऐसे स्टूडेंट काउंट करने हैं जो रागिनी को प्रेफर करते हैं पर प्रपोजल ए को सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं. सो 150 and 60, 210 are 210 is the number of such students who prefer Ragini but who do not support proposal A. Now this 210 out of 250. ठीक है, who did not support proposal A. So how many students were there who did not support proposal A? See, out of 500 students, 250 supported proposal A. So 250 must be the ones who did not support proposal A. इसका percentage यदि हम calculate करें तो this will come out to be 84%. Fine. So the answer to this question is 84%. Moving to third question. Okay. So the third question is, what percentage of students surveyed who supported both the proposals A and B preferred Sunita as student union president? So the number of students who supported both the proposal, 50 यहाँ से मिलेगा, 50 यहाँ से मिलेगा. So there were total 100 number of students who supported both the proposals. उनमें से सुनीता को कितने ने प्रेफर किया है? 50 have preferred Sunita. फाइन. तो परसेंटेज वाइज देखें, so this is nothing but 50%. The correct answer is option C, that is 50%. Moving to last question of this set. Okay, the last question is, how many students surveyed supported proposal B, did not support proposal A and preferred Ragini? Who supported proposal B, who did not support proposal A and preferred Ragini? So see, who supported proposal B but did not support proposal A. तो हम ये 50 काउंट नहीं करेंगे, because this 50 are the ones जिन्होंने proposal A को भी support किया है. हम ये भी काउंट नहीं करेंगे, हम ये भी काउंट नहीं करेंगे. 150 is such number जो रागिनी को सपोर्ट करते हैं and only B proposal को सपोर्ट करते हैं. So the correct answer to this question is 150, option D. Fine. So I hope ये सेट आपको क्लियर होगा. Thank you so much.